Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Past Question 7. If log x squared base 3 is equals to minus 8, what is x? Now we're given log x squared base 3 is equals to minus 8. Now this is same thing as saying what? X squared is equals to 3 raised to the power of minus 8. If you remember, when you have log x base n equals to a, this is the same thing as saying what? X is equals to n raised to the power of a. That's the same thing principle we applied here. So x squared is equals to 3 raised to the power of what? Minus 8. Now from this we can simply say that what? X squared is equals to 1 all over 3 raised to the power of 8, which is equals to 1 all over 6561. Now we can simply say that x is equals to the square root of 1 all over 6561, and that is equals to what? 1 over 81. So x is equals to what? 1 over 81, and that is option D. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.